Hi everyone, in this video let us learn how to remove the duplicate values from a given list. So here we have a client list in which name of few clients has been repeated and I want to remove the duplicates in such a way that each client name appears only once in my list. So as you can see, serial number 1 and serial number 20 is the same client. Similarly, serial number 11 and 16 is again same. So we have some names repeated. Now if you want to just take a look how many names have been repeated, in order to do that you need conditional formatting, highlight cells, duplicate values here, click OK. Now this conditional formatting selects the actual client name along with its duplicate. So if you want to get the count using Ctrl Shift L, I'm using the filter here, and if I filter it by this color and if I take the number, then it shows 24. Means here actual values and their duplicates total is 24. So you cannot delete this. If you delete this, then the 12 client names will also be deleted. I want to retain the actual client names and want to delete only the duplicates. So here if I see the remaining number is only 13, whereas I have more clients than this. So how to get that? Go to data, remove duplicates. Here serial numbers and area codes, I don't want to remove the duplicates because the same area code can be for different clients. Click OK. Says there are 12 duplicates found and 25 unique values are there. If I click here OK, I'll get this 25 unique names of my clients. Also, if you have noted, the serial numbers has not been disturbed. Why the serial numbers has not been disturbed? Because they are being put using a formula. So what is that formula? You will find a link in the description. By using that, you can have the same serial numbers, and if you delete the values in between, they are not disturbed. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.